In this video, I'm going to show you how to outline text in Photoshop in just a few simple steps. This is one of those small editing tricks that can make a huge difference, whether you're creating thumbnails, social media graphics, posters, or any design where you want your text to stand out clearly. If you've ever struggled with text blending into the background, then adding an outline is the perfect fix. Before we get into the steps, make sure to hit like and subscribe if this tutorial helps you. It really supports the channel and helps you find more quick Photoshop guides like this one. Alright, let's jump right in. First, look down at your layers panel in the bottom right corner of Photoshop. Find the text layer that you want to outline. Once you've located it, double-click the empty gray space right next to the layer name. That part is important. Don't double-click the T icon and don't double-click the text name itself, because that will just activate the text cursor instead of opening the layer options. You want to double-click the blank area beside the layer name so the layer style panel opens. Once the layer style window appears, look down the list on the left side and find stroke. Click directly on the word stroke and make sure the checkbox next to it is turned on. This will activate the outline settings for your text. Now you'll see the stroke options on the right side of the window. The first setting is size, and this controls how thick or how thin your outline will be. You can use the slider or type in a value, depending on how bold you want it. A smaller value like 3 pixels gives you a subtle outline, while something like 8 or 10 pixels creates a much stronger border. It really depends on the design style you're going for. Next, and this is the most important part, change the position setting to outside. This is the setting that makes the outline expand outward around the text instead of pushing into the letters themselves. If you set it to inside or center, Photoshop will start eating into your text, which can make thinner fonts look cramped or even unreadable. Outside keeps your lettering clean and readable, which is usually exactly what you want for an outline effect. After that, leave blend mode set to normal. That gives you a standard solid outline without any strange blending effects. Then check the opacity setting. If you want a fully solid border, leave it at 100%. If you want a softer or more transparent look, you can lower it a bit. But for most text outlines, 100% is the best choice. Then move down to fill type and make sure it's set to color. Once that's selected, click on the color box below it. This opens the color picker, where you can choose any outline color you want. You can go with black for a classic, bold look, white for text on dark backgrounds, or any custom color that matches your design. Pick the shade that works best, then click OK to confirm the color. When everything looks right, click OK in the top right corner of the layer. Style window to apply the effect. You'll immediately see the outline around your text on the canvas. Back in the layers panel, you'll also notice an effects label with stroke listed underneath your text layer. That tells you the outline has been successfully added. And that's it. You've now outlined text in Photoshop. It's a quick and powerful technique that can make your text pop instantly and improve the overall look of your design. If you want more Photoshop tutorials like this, make sure to like the video, subscribe to the channel, and turn on notifications so you don't miss the next one. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next tutorial.